I'll give you a hint here. That's good. Yep. So somewhere down here is the center of the circle. So the first thing you got to figure out is the diameter so that you can figure out the radius. Now remember, this is going to be, if I cut this like this at a right angle, right? I'll extend this out, that extends down. This is going to be half. So this piece will be 4 inches, this piece will be 4 inches, right? That piece is 2 inches. Remember how to find this length? Nope, it's 4 times 4. You multiply these two pieces, we'll get, and divide by that, will give you this length. So this piece is 8, which means their diameter is 10 inches. 8 plus 2. Remember that from the end of last semester?
Oh, 8 is the diameter.
8 is not the diameter, no. 8 goes from here to the other side. So you got to add the 2 to get the diameter. So now you got a radius of 5 inches. So now that I've given you that part, the rest of it should be easy for you.
You hadn't given us the 8 before.
No, now that I did, though.
Yeah.
Now that I've given it to you, it should be easy.
Right.
Before you would have had to figure that part out. But now that I've done that for you, the rest should be fairly easy for you. I say that just a little bit cynically. So then we took that 8 inches and divided it into 4 and 4. So now, if this here is x, 4 times 4 has to equal 2 times x, because the product of two pieces of radius that intersect is, or two pieces of a chord, intersecting chords, has to be the same. So we just did 4 times 4 divided by 2 and got that x equals 8. So that's how we got this to here is 8. So then 8 plus the 2 gives us a diameter of 10, so the radius has to be 5. So now based on that, we have to find the area of this whole sector here. To do that, we need to know that angle. So to find that angle, if this is 4, we know the radius is 5, so this piece has to be 3. Because 5 goes from the center all the way out. If that's 2, we subtract 2 from the 5, leaving us with 3. So what we have there is a triangle. It's 4 by 3. We can get this angle here will be an inverse tangent of opposite over adjacent. What's the opposite? 4 over 3. Okay, you'd found the hypotenuse because you had the 5 for the hypotenuse. Yeah, that would work. Here is 53.13 degrees. Of course, what really matters is we got double that.
What was getting me is in that 3, 4, 5 triangle with a right angle of 36, 90.
No, those are two different things. A 30, 60, 90 is actually 1, 2, and the square root of 3. So
You just always use that when you were squaring a wall.
3, 4, 5 is what you use to square a corner. Yeah, 3, 4, 5 or 6, 8, 10. Yep. So 106.26 is this whole angle here. So now to find the area of the sector, we're going to do 5 squared times 5. That's 106.26 over 360. .18. We're going to just go 23.18 square inches. That's the whole sector. Now from that, we're going to subtract the triangle. That's 8 units across and 3 units tall. So 8 by 3 divided by 2 is going to be 12 units. So the segment is 11.18 square inches. Yeah. So this is 11.18 square inches times the 12 inches here to get a volume. $134.19 inches cubed. How many of you had that? One? That's a start. How many of you understand how to do that now?
I don't understand how to do it.
You don't understand how to do it? You got the right answer, but don't understand how to do it? Well, the good news is we're going to come back to this and look at it a little bit more tomorrow. We are going to look at this concept tomorrow in a little bit different way. For right now, there won't be any new homework today. There's going to be a quiz. Should have done right now.
Wait a minute.
This is going back a couple days.
Where did this?
Quiz? Did you do this one?
Yeah.
We did a worksheet that looks like this. We didn't do the quiz.
Yeah, you gave it to us as a worksheet.
We did a worksheet that looks like that. Not a quiz.
Tried, and we handed it in, so we can't look at it.
You didn't hand in that worksheet. You got it.
I thought that's how we did it.
No, you still have that one.